How to check Agoda booking without account access. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to check your Agoda booking without account access. So let's say if you were to check an important details about your booking on Agoda, but you somehow forgot your password or account details, but you can still check that out without having to log in via your account on Agoda actually. So in that case, what you can do is just head over to your Gmail. So always make sure that this is the Gmail that you use to register or create an account on Agoda. So then only it will be, or all of the booking details will be visible over here. So from here now, basically simply click on search in search bar and simply search in for your Agoda pricings or Agoda booking. So once you search in for Agoda, if you have particular word that is related to that particular place of booking, you can simply search in. So let's say in this example, I will simply search in for Bangkok. So it will only show me the relation related to, or the keyword related to the Agoda and Bangkok. So as you can see, there are a lot of keyword related to it already. So you can just check it one by one to finally get your details about that particular booking option, and just like that see your Agoda booking details. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.